In early 1970, the Italian coach builder Bertone did something bold. Without BMW's official approval, it stripped down a BMW 2002 Ti and transformed it into a fully drivable concept car for the Geneva Motor Show. The man behind the design was Marcello Gandini, then head of design at Bertone, who had already penned iconic machines like the Lamborghini Miura and the Alfa Romeo Carabo. The concept was named Garmisch after Garmisch-Partenkirchen, the Bavarian ski resort. "We picked the name because skiing was very popular at that time," Gandini recalled. "It evoked dreams of winter sports and alpine elegance." The initiative came from Nuccio Bertone himself, who wanted to strengthen his studio's relationship with BMW by presenting a surprise show car. The design pushed BMW's visual language into sharper, more provocative territory. Gandini used an angular interpretation of BMW's kidney grille framed by square glazed headlights, air intakes in the C-pillars, and a distinctive honeycomb mesh visor over the rear window, a recurring Gandini signature. Inside, the Garmisch featured a vertically mounted radio on the center console and a fold-down vanity mirror on the passenger side. Compared to Bertone's formal proposal for the E21 project, the Garmisch sat 35 millimeters lower at the front, had longer doors, and was sleeker overall. BMW was cautious about the reveal. The E21 Future 3 Series was still 5 years from launch, but allowed Bertone to show the car, partly due to the strong personal relationship between Nuccio Bertone and BMW's body engineering chief, Wilhelm Hofmeister. After appearing at several 1970 motor shows, the original Garmisch vanished without explanation and was never seen again. The car's influence, however, was real. BMW subsequently entrusted Gandini and Bertone with contributing to the design of the E12 5 Series, which debuted in 1972 under new BMW design chief Paul Bracq. Gandini helped shape its exterior, making him a co-author of one of BMW's most significant post-war models. Nearly 5 decades later, BMW Group design chief Adrian van Hooijdonk decided to bring the Garmisch back. He traveled to Turin in the summer of 2018 to meet the then 79-year-old Gandini and request his involvement. Gandini agreed. Design engineer Sebastian Hupfel led the reconstruction, working from a handful of photographs, many black and white, and scanning an original 2002 to align proportions digitally. A freshly restored donor 2002 was sourced through BMW Classic by October 2018. The recreation was handed to Superstyle, a small Turin coach builder run by the Palmisano family and Flavio Galicio, whose father had worked at Bertone. Working within the same 5-month window Bertone had in 1970, Superstyle handcrafted the exterior sheet metal using traditional techniques, suspending the donor car in a custom-built cage when structural metalwork was removed during the door modifications. Period-correct components, door handles, lighting units, were tracked down with help from BMW Classic's Klaus Kutscher. Gandini himself guided the team on details he remembered from the original build. The body color, a light champagne metallic, consistent with Italian fashion trends of the era, interior materials, and specific design elements. The result was precise enough that Gandini, upon seeing the finished car, said he could barely distinguish it from the original. The recreated BMW Garmisch debuted at the 2019 Concorso d'Eleganza Villa d'Este on Lake Como, 56 years after its first appearance. The original has never resurfaced.